sew on a button, you will need some thread in whatever color you desire, a 2-hole button, a needle with an opening on the end, and then a piece of fabric to practice. Alright, as well as some scissors. So first things first, you're going to take your thread and you're going to pull it out about arm's length. And then you're going to cut the end. After that, you're going to thread it through the eye of the needle. And if you need to, you can always cut the end if it doesn't go through, to make it go through better. So you have it through the needle, you're going to pull it through, and then you're going to double it. And when I say double it, I mean just make it even on both sides so that the needle is in the middle. Like so. See how there's 2 parts? That's how it should be. Alright, your next step is going to be double knotting the ends. To double knot the ends, I like to make a ribbon and then take this side and put it through the hole of the ribbon and then pull through and do the same thing again so that it will be a double knot. Alright, so now you're going to take your 2-hole button. You're going to hold with one hand, usually your less dominant hand, so this will be my left hand. Hold it on the upper side of the fabric and then hold your needle with the other hand. Your next step is to flip it over, find the hole on the other side, and pull it through. And then just now go through the other side. And so that is 1 stitch. So now you're going to do the same stitch 3 to 4 times just to make sure that it's anchored in your fabric and it won't go anywhere. Fart. Just kidding. Always making sure you're starting from the other side. So that's 3. And now this is 4. Your last step is to anchor it. And what I mean by anchoring is basically just, so if you have an anchor in a boat, that means that it doesn't go anywhere. That's the same thing for here. So to anchor it, you flip it over to the other side. And then you go underneath the thread that you just did, and if you get some of the fabric with it, it's okay. And then just pull through. It's pretty easy. Making sure nothing gets caught. And then what I like to do is I like to go once more underneath just to make sure we have everything. And it doesn't look that pretty on the outside, but this is what it looks like when you're finished. And so now all you have to do is cut the remaining fabric or the thread, and you're finished with the 2-button hole. So that's how you do a 2-button hole.